Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to drive old hard drive brushless motor. Let's get started. Now you can see motor is spinning. Motor not start by itself with this method. So I push it at once. Schematic on the screen. I skip soldering part. This circuit occurs from 3 MOSFET. MOSFETs are dry to each other. How gonna be there? Capacitor help us this time. It can charge and discharge. MOSFETs are regularly open and close with this. Aum brushless motors has a 4 output. One is common, the others is negative rows. Common pins goes to power supply's positive lines. The others means negative rows goes to MOSFET's drain pin. That's it. Next project I want had a speed controller driver model. Episode is over. If you can't miss anything, don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.